Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update how to update Android apps. Let's get started. First, open your Play Store apps, and in here you can click on the top right, tap the profile icon, this one, click on it. And in here you can click on the manage apps and device, this one, click on it. And then in here you can click on update apply labels, this one, click on it. And in here you can click on the update, maybe this one, maybe this one, maybe this one. If you wanna update the app, so you just click on it and please waiting. So that's how to update Android apps on Play Store. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.